I am Ravi Bhushan Raj. I am pursuing BSc IT from Siemens College, Patna. My ID is 10440 and my roll number is 74. I am very thankful to Ranjit sir who given me a golden opportunity to say something about its topic, and my topic is RHL installation. Then in this video you see how to install RHL. Then here RHL installed in virtual machine. Then firstly open VMware and create a new virtual machine, and then next, and then next, and then here choose Linux because I want to install RHL, and then here choose RHL versions. There are many versions but I install RHL 5, then choose on RHL 5 and then click on next, and then also click on next, and then choose your size which you want to choose. Here size I want to choose 20 GB size, then choose on 20 GB and then click on next, and then click on customize hardware, and then click here new CD DVD and click use ISO image, and then click on browse, and your PC where ISO image, then select and click on open and then close, and this process complete. Then after finish and then click on power on this virtual machine, and then click here enter, and then click on escape, but escape, and then choose your language, here I want to choose English, then click on US English and then click on next button, and here skip and then OK, and then here also skip and then yes, and here select remove Linux partition on selected drives and create default layout, and then click on next and then click on yes, and here click on next, and here choose which you want to country and state, here I want choose Asia Kolkata, so then click on Asia Kolkata and then click on next button, and there here type a password which you want to, and then next, and next. Click on next. Here you wait for few minutes. Here you see 8-minute time is remaining. It is my introduction. You can see here time remaining is 4 minutes left. Here and then click on reboot. Installing process is running. then click on forward, and then click on yes, I agree the license agreement, and then click on forward, and then choose a enable, and here check on all options, and then after check all options, then click on forward, and then click on yes, and forward, and here click on forward, and here set time and date, and then after set time and date click on forward, and here click on no, I prefer to register at a later time, and then click on forward, and then click on no thanks, I will connect later, and then click on forward, and here which you want to type username, and type password, and then type confirm password, and click on forward, and here which you want to volume setting, and then click on forward, and then click on finish, and here type a username, and then type a password, and then your RHL installation is completed. Here you see my RHL installation is completed, and if you want to full screen, then click on here, and you can see your RHL installation show in full screen. If you want to shut down RHL, then click on system, and then click on shutdown, and then click on shutdown. Your shutdown process is running. Wait for few time, and you can show your RHL installation is shut down, and it is my introduction, and thanks for watching my video. Thanks to all of you. Thank you, sir.